So here we go. This morning we have pomegranate seed, beetroot, lemon, and ginger. We're gonna put all of this into our blender. So pomegranate seed, ginger, lemon, beetroot. Okay, put in the rest of the ingredients inside of it. Yes, beautiful people. So this is what I want to make this morning. I'm using 1 lemon, let me know if you guys like pomegranate seed. It's one of my favorite, you know. I used to make this every day back then. I don't know what happened, but I have these two and I say, you know, I need to use them. God, they will just end up just get spoiled. All right, good vibes. So what we are going to do is we're going to add some water to it. All right, add roughly about a cup of water to it. Yeah, I think that is good. Put on the lid. And this is my book right here, From Poverty to Purpose. Okay, it's on Amazon. Let's blend. Make some noise. Lovely. So we're going to pour it out into a strainer. Excellent. That is good. All right. Use a spoon. Squeeze out all of that juice. Excellent. All right, I'm gonna squeeze some more as we goes on. All right. Yeah, but this is very powerful and effective to drink in the morning. Yeah. If you are looking for something really good, then yeah, man, I recommend this to you. Now look at that, rich and nice. excellent. All right. Drink that for about 10 days. Good vibes. Yeah. See that work on your immune system. So that's what I'm talking about in the morning. Rich juice. Let's try it. Cheers. Really good. Natural. Yeah. Pomegranate seed and beetroot. Yeah. Wow. Rich. Wow. That is amazing. The flavor. Wow. Really good. Pomegranate seed and beetroot juice. Give it a try and let me know what you guys think, man. A good vibes. Have a blessed day, and I'll see you tonight. I'm back in the kitchen with more recipes. Have a great day. Bye-bye.